Hi there, I'm Brian and welcome to Project Redleaf, my video series of building a sugar shack, nature center, and family pavilion 3000, better known as a shed. I've done this video series for the greater part of a year, and today's a huge milestone. We have yet another dry area on this project site. The pavilion is up, the roofing paper is on the plywood, keeping the section dry, but not for long. We got to get shingles up. This project is nearly there, but there's still a lot of work to come. In today's edition, I'm going to show you everything I did to get the plywood and the roofing paper on the pavilion, and I'm going to show you everything I need to still do to get this building inspected. Let's get to it.
The first thing I did was I installed hurricane ties on all the ceiling joists. From there, I got started with the plywood. Getting that first sheet of plywood is the hardest and takes the longest, but once it's in, everything else comes together, but it has to be just right. Get the rest of the sheets up, and then I put on the roofing paper. The roofing paper is really what's blocking the rain from going through until I get the shingles on. On the other side, I made sure I leveled that overhanging joist, and then with the help of my friend Matt, I was able to get that first strip of plywood on. And my wife actually caught me finishing in the rain. Once all the plywood is sheeted, got the roof paper up, and then I installed the drip edge. From there, I was able to get the starting strips on and get my first layer of shingles installed. Easy peasy. One of the other decisions that I made was installing these metal brackets to better connect the pavilion beam to the posts that it rests on. It's probably overkill, but you know what? Now's the time to do it. And I did it. Hurricane ties are looking great, and they prevent uplift from the wind from, well, blowing over the building and blowing the roof off. Got all of them in. Simpson ties. Each hanger joist has 5 nails on the top and 5 nails on the bottom. I use a palm nailer to get them in. What's left is I gotta put the T111 siding on the gable side. It's gonna make it look really good. I'm gonna have trim underneath it as well. Then, shingling the roof, putting the trim on, and getting through a small punch list to make sure that everything's strong, stable, cleaned up, and ready to go for inspection.
I'll end it here for this episode. I'm so close to being done for final inspection, and it's just a few more weeks until that happens. Thank you for following me in my journey, and thanks for watching. That was good. I like that one.